Hello again, my amazing English learners. Welcome to day 7 of your 30-day English shadowing challenge. You've made it through a whole week. That's something to be very proud of. Most learners stop after a few days, but you've kept going. That shows dedication, and dedication creates fluency. Today, our topic is food and eating out. Why is this important? Because food is one of the easiest ways to connect with people. Whether you're ordering in a restaurant, talking about your favorite dishes, or inviting someone to eat with you, food vocabulary is everywhere. So, today, you'll learn how to describe what you eat, what you like, and how to talk about eating out. As always, I'll guide you through 30 sentences, each repeated 2 times. Listen carefully, repeat after me, copy my rhythm and tone, speak out loud and confident. Let's get started. Here are the shadowing practice sentences. You can pause for practice. Sentences 1 through 10. I eat breakfast every morning. I eat breakfast every morning. I like rice and vegetables. I like rice and vegetables. I drink tea with milk. I drink tea with milk. I enjoy eating fruit. I enjoy eating fruit. I like spicy food. I like spicy food. I don't eat too much sugar. I don't eat too much sugar. I love fresh juice. I love fresh juice. I eat bread with butter. I eat bread with butter. I enjoy cooking at home. I enjoy cooking at home. I eat 3 meals a day. I eat 3 meals a day. Great start! You're already building strong food vocabulary. Let's add more flavor to your sentences. Sentences 11 through 20. I like eating chicken. I like eating chicken. I enjoy fish dishes. I enjoy fish dishes. I eat vegetables every day. I eat vegetables every day. I sometimes eat fast food. I sometimes eat fast food. I love eating pizza. I love eating pizza. I order food at restaurants. I order food at restaurants. I like trying new dishes. I like trying new dishes. I ask for water with my meal. I ask for water with my meal. I sometimes eat dessert. I sometimes eat dessert. I enjoy eating ice cream. I enjoy eating ice cream. Fantastic! You've now practiced 20 sentences. Can you feel how much smoother your English sounds? Keep going. Your confidence is growing bite by bite, just like a tasty meal. Sentences 21 through 30. I eat lunch at work. I eat lunch at work. I enjoy dinner with family. I enjoy dinner with family. I like eating out on weekends. I like eating out on weekends. I ask the waiter for the menu. I ask the waiter for the menu. I order soup as a starter. I order soup as a starter. I try different restaurants. I try different restaurants. I enjoy eating with friends. I enjoy eating with friends. I sometimes order takeaway food. I sometimes order takeaway food. I ask for the bill politely. I ask for the bill politely. I always say thank you to the waiter. I always say thank you to the waiter. Brilliant! That's 30 full sentences about food and eating out. Well done, my friend. You've just finished day 7 of your 30-day English shadowing challenge. You now have the words and confidence to talk about food, order at a restaurant, and share your favorite dishes. That's a big step towards sounding natural in English. Remember, English practice is just like eating. You need it every day, not just once in a while. Even a small daily practice keeps you healthy and strong in your learning journey. Before you go, if you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with your favorite food, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss tomorrow's practice. Tomorrow, in day 8, we'll explore shopping and clothes, another useful topic for everyday conversations. Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep believing in yourself. You're doing amazing. See you tomorrow.